The question is, how do I add content to the featured section of my LinkedIn profile? Let me show you the best practices for doing that. Log into LinkedIn, go to your LinkedIn profile, scroll down to the featured section. If you don't have it, you'll get it from here. Add profile section, recommended, and there's add featured. But if you have it, all you have to do is hit the pencil or hit the plus to add a new one. I can add a post from LinkedIn. I can add a newsletter from LinkedIn, an article from LinkedIn. Each of these cases is going to want the URL to that content. I can add a third-party link to anywhere. I can add media, which could be a video or a document or an image, et cetera, or a PDF. I can add content from my profile. I can spotlight my recommendations section, my experience section, et cetera, et cetera. But I'm going to add a third-party link right here. I'm going to put the URL that I want to add. Here it is, burrissconsulting.com. And now you have to hit it's hidden right here under white letters under white, hit that add. Now it pulls the title from that web page. Now if you want a single click from this piece of content, from the featured section directly to this URL, don't put a description in here. Leave that blank. If you put description, then it's going to open that up in an overlay to look at it, and then there'll be a button to go view this piece of content. I'm going to leave it blank, and I'm going to hit save. And there it is right there. Now this would look better if that image would have been a square image instead of a rectangular image, but I've added it. Right here it is, and now if someone clicks on that, look what it does. As I've shared earlier, it goes straight to the piece of content in the current window. It doesn't even open a new window. Hit the back button. I'm back to my LinkedIn profile, and there it is right there. And so this is the easiest way to add content to get it seen by as many people on your LinkedIn profile. I could have put a URL into my About section right here, but URLs in this section, such as these URLs right here, whether I put www or HTTP or anything, they're not going to be hyperlinks unless you're looking at this content on an iPhone, maybe on an Android. I haven't tested that, but I know on an iPhone that it will make that be a hyperlink. But on a desk browser, looking at this from a computer, they're not hyperlinks, which is why I recommend you use the featured section, because they will be a hyperlink. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator dude. I hope this is helpful for you.